Hello, Upka takers! This is Sachika. So today, I have a question for you. What is the remainder when this number is divided by 9? So from the question, tinatanong niya, ano daw yung remainder kung dinivide nyo by 9? So, ang wag yung gagawin is i-divide siya by 9 brute force kasi sobrang tagal nun. Okay? What you can do is to recall your divisibility rules. Di ba meron tayong rule when we divide by 9? Di ba example, kung meron tayong 45, how do we know kung divisible siya by 9? Di ba the rule states that if you add all digits ng number mo, and if that sum is divisible by 9, then the original number is divisible by 9. So for example, itong 45, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Is 9 divisible by 9? Diba? The answer is yes. Therefore, 45 is also divisible by 9. So let's apply the same rule to our problem. So as you can see, this is a very long chain of numbers. Pwede na naman i-add isa-isa, but there is a pattern to this. Kung mapapansin nyo, yung number natin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3 times. Now what is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5? Diba that is 15. So 15 times 3 is just 45. We've established kanina 45 is divisible by 9. Therefore, our number is divisible by 9. Since divisible siya exactly by 9, then that means our remainder is 0. Okay? So I hope that helped you in studying for the UCAT.